Warning!
You're watching Dr. Todd Lee TV, where theoretically you could learn a bunch of cool shit. Greetings, Earthlings! Like, subscribe, and share this video. Share with a friend. Share with enemies. Share with people who think they know everything. Spread it like herpes. Speaking of herpes, I am a medical doctor, and I could be your doctor. Click the link in the description box. I can order you blood work. I can read the blood work. I can treat any illnesses. Basically, it's like an HRT clinic that's a one-man army. Also, I do coaching. Dr. Karina Dodson and I have a coaching business called Apex Coaching. So if you sign up with me, you get coaching, which is nutrition, programming, competition prep, or lifestyle coaching, as well as all the medical stuff. So you have two doctors in one business. It's going to be contest prep, the nutritionist, the programming person, and the doctor all in one. You can't beat it. It's integrated. It works the best that way. You'll love it. Make sure to do it. Click the link in the description box.
This is salutations, Earthlings. It is I, Todd Lee. We are 7 days, I think, out from the Texas Pro. Today is the 3rd of August. My show is the 9th of August. This is my last leg day. We haven't gotten any leg days on camera recently, so this should be a good one. My energy level is going to be really low. I just checked my weight. I was 186. I woke up at 177. So far, my best look was 195. It was 195 2 days ago. That was my best look. Yesterday, I think I was 192. It looked pretty good. Today, it's 186. It probably looks like garbage, but we'll find out after the training session. All right, enjoy. This contest prep, I've broken my lifetime achievement on adductors and leg curls at the parent gym. So I've been using the same equipment for 5 years, and I'm now actually stronger than I've ever been with adductors and hamstring curls. And maybe I'm stronger in other things too, but there's so little variety with leg curls and adductors. You really run out of machines, so it's pretty easy to track your progress on those two things. I'd like to thank our sponsor, Fusion Regenerative Therapies, where I am the Director of Human Performance. This is the practice in which I practice medicine. We will be able to order you blood work and read your blood work and help you with therapy as needed based upon the results of your blood work. Please click the link to get a consult with me, and I can help you optimize your performance. Thank you. All right. Oh. Now it's on the hack squat.